So for this activity, we read The Protective Role of Family Meals for Youth Obesity. And so the overall interesting point that I found was in this study, they found that it was protective for when kids if kids ate meals with their family at a young age, it could be beneficial for them in the long run to not become obese or overweight. And so I think that was overall the most interesting thing that I gained from this. And actually I kind of find that true in a way, just from my own perspective, just because when I was growing up and we had family meals at home, it was most of the time my mom cooked healthier foods, which was, she had like a meat for us to eat and then sides of veggies and maybe a bread of some sort. And for the most part, they were all healthy meals. And then if I went out to eat or ate fast food, obviously there's not many healthy fast food options. And if I went out to eat, usually still ate some type of fried food or something of that nature, or something like that was not something that was real healthy for you. And so that's why I thought it was interesting that eating family meals are protective like that. Another thing I found interesting from this article was that it was talking about the potential mechanisms that explain the benefit from eating family meals. And one of them was that family meals may provide opportunities for emotional connection among family members, creating a supportive environment for emotion regulation and a sense of security that gives children the ability to regulate their own eating behaviors in their day-to-day lives. So when looking at that, I just kind of, once again, connect back to my own family, and like when we sat down and had family meals together, and like we just always, it was a time to connect for all of us. We all sat down, talked about our days, stuff like that, whatever's going on. And so, once again, it was a very supportive environment. So like, it's another thing that from this article, that I can relate back to my life. So I found that interesting or noteworthy.